Namaskar. Myself Suren Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. Today I am going to present weekly weather review and outlook for next 2 weeks. As we know, the monsoon season is start, and this time most part of the country is covered by the monsoon except northwest India and adjoining central India. And due to the formation of low pressure area over the northwest Bay of Bengal from 11th June, and it moves towards Jharkhand, Bihar, and UP, causes extremely heavy rainfall over Bihar and UP, and continuously persisting of offshore trough over the west coast. Konkan Goa also experience extremely rainfall. Overall, the last week we got plus 43% above rainfall. Now I'm going to start the presentation. In this slide, we can see the momentum of the clouds. It shows that the cloud over the North Bay of Bengal is continuously persisting 2 and 3 days, 11 to 13 over the same region, almost stationary. And the right one picture shows that the rainfall activity from 10 to 16, 17 June. A low area of, I already told, a low area formed over the northwest Bay of Bengal of Odisha, West Bengal coast on 11th June and remained stationary over the same region till 13 June. It was moved to East UP on 14 June, which causes extremely heavy rainfall also. A trough at mean sea level runs from Punjab to the northeast Bay of Bengal across Haryana, South UP, Jharkhand and GWB, Gangetic West Bengal during the week. An offshore trough at mean sea level along the west coast during the week is also important the last week. Here, the advancement of the, in this slide, we can see the advancements of the southwest monsoon. Here, this green line shows the actual propagation of the monsoon. Here we can see from 11 to 17 to the 17, the monsoon cover these parts of the country. As 11th, it was up to the Pandara Road, Puri, Kishangarh, Malda. On 13, due to Diu, Surat, Nandurbar, Bhopal, Nawganj, Barabanki, Bareilly, Saharanpur, Ambala, and Amritsar. And after 13, no advancement thereafter due to the mid-tropospheric westerlies is propagating to the northwest India. Here you can see this is the observed rainfall over the India during past 1 week, and this amount you can see Telangana experienced 14 centimeter, and here we can see on 12 June Konkan Goa 17 centimeter due to the offshore trough. Here the red color shows the extremely heavy rainfall over the Konkan and Goa on 14 or over 15 East UP and Bihar due to the low pressure area over the UP region. Or 16 also get extremely heavy rainfall. Now this is the last week rainfall in this slide. We can see here the green color and dark blue color shows the excess rainfall, or where the red color shows the below normal rainfall. Overall, past 1 week we see country as a whole, we receive plus 43% rainfall. And from the monsoon season, from 1st to 16 June is plus 33%. This is the good indicator. And last week you can see overall the country has excess rainfall, or Northwest India plus 106% rainfall. Now this is the temperature for the last week. It shows that the no major heat wave occur over the any part of the country. In this maximum temperature anomaly, we also shows that anomaly is -6 to 7 degrees centigrade due to the continuously rainfall over this region. Yeah, this is the current synoptic features of today. As we know, the large scale atmospheric conditions are not favorable for further advance of monsoon into Rajasthan, remaining parts of Punjab, Haryana, and Delhi. However, there could be slow progress into some parts over Gujarat state and Uttar Pradesh during next 2 to 3 days. In this figure, we can also say easterly is penetrating up to UP. A cyclone circulation lies over Gangetic West Bengal, another cyclone circulation over East UP, and also a trough over South Gujarat to the North Kerala coast. And in westerlies, mid-westerly, a WD also present runs from North Jammu Kashmir to the Northeast Arabian Sea. This is the extended rainfall for cyclonegenesis. Here we can see no cyclonegenesis in next 2 weeks. No probability of cyclonegenesis next 2 weeks. However, there could be formation of short-lived low pressure area, one inch over North Bay and Northwest Bay of Bengal during first week and second week. This is the surface wind and the mean sea level pressure for last week, where you can see the circulation over that Northwest Bay Bengal, and it's moving propagating northwest towards East UP. Here, this is the mean sea level pressure area. Shows the last week how the low pressure area moved. This is the weather warning for last 5 days. This is the weather forecast for during next 5 days. Here we can see on today, red color shows extremely heavy fall is likely to over Konkan Goa and Madhya Maharashtra, and yellow shows the some thunderstorm activity, but orange shows the heavy to very heavy activity over this region, over Uttarakhand, West UP, East UP, Bihar, East MP, Jharkhand, and GWB. Same 18 is also almost same condition, but extremely possibility is low. From 9, it will reduce 19, 28, 21 is shows that southern peninsula adjoining East India is no rainfall activity or no warning for this region. Now we come to the that rainfall forecast for next 2 weeks. In week 1, we can see easily, as we expected, one low pressure area will be formed over North Bay of Bengal around 19. That this color shows anomaly is positive. It shows the high rainfall activity over high widespread, fairly widespread to widespread, with heavy to very heavy fall also likely to over East India and adjoining Central India. And same due to the offshore trough, West coast also experiencing rainfall, good amount of rainfall. Week 1 and week 2 also shows that less activity over the northeast state and the northwest India, but central India and southwest coast is showing some activity. As I already told, a feeble low pressure area is likely to form over North Bay around 19 and move north Jharkhand, Bihar area during subsequent 2-3 days. Due to this fairly widespread to widespread rainfall activity, isolated heavy to very heavy fall are likely to continue most parts of the east and adjoining central India during this week. Due to, can say that above normal over the eastern and adjoining East Central India, rainfall activity continue during week 1. And rainfall likely to over normal over west coast of the India and normal to be below normal rest parts of the peninsular India, including Andhra and Telangana. Rainfall is likely to be normal to be below normal over northwest India and northeast India during the week. And this is the week 2. Here you can say monsoon flow pattern likely to get organized and strengthened due to the likely formation of low pressure area over the North Bay of Bengal. It is further west northwestward movement during second half of the week 2. Due to this normal to above normal rainfall activity, isolated heavy fall also likely over some parts of east central India, east central and adjoining eastern parts of the India. Rainfall likely to be normal over some parts of northwest India, ex, except parts of western Himalayan region where it is likely to be normal to below normal due to likely strengthening of the westerly winds and offshore trough along west coast towards second half of the week 2. Widespread rainfall with isolated heavy fall very likely along the west coast is also continue. It is likely to near normal remaining parts of the country outside the northeastern state and extreme southern peninsula where it is likely to below normal. Here this is the forecast for maximum temperature. Here we can see in week 1 due to the good activity the temperature will be normal, no heat wave likely to form, and in week 2 rainfall activity is little bit less or then temperature will be little bit higher. In week 1 no heat wave condition over any parts of the India likely during the period. However, due to the rise in temperature and high humidity, there will be discomfort over northwest India during the second half of week or week 2. Maximum temperature are likely to increase slightly as compared to week 1. However, it is likely to below normal over the most part of the country outside some pockets over northeast India and Gujarat and adjoining Rajasthan, where it is likely to be near normal to slight above normal during the week. No heat wave likely to over the part of the country during the week. Thank you.